Hey music creators, ready to take control of your music career? In this quick video, we will show you how to create your free account on Impulse Tunes in less than 2 minutes.
Impulse Tunes, built for modern independent artists.
First, open your browser and go to impulsetunes.com. Once the homepage loads, click on the Sign Up button at the top right, or on the main page. You'll be taken to the Sign Up page. Just enter your full name, email address, password, confirm password, and you can also enter a referral code if you have one. If someone invited you, use their code. You'll get $1 extra every time you top up your wallet on the platform. Sweet, right? Watch our video on Impulse Tunes pricing and plans to understand our pricing better. After signing up, we'll send a verification mail to your email address. Didn't see it in your inbox? Be sure to check your spam or junk folder, and that's it. And you're in. You can now start distributing, promoting, and earning from your music with Impulse Tunes. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and follow us on social for more tips.
Impulse Tunes, built for modern independent artists.